Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, please don't go nowhere. Watch the video from the beginning down to the end. So this is I'm currently in Umuahia Olokoro. This Olokoro road. In fact, this is Olokoro, Umuahia Olokoro, and I'm going to drive through from Olokoro to Umudike. We're going to get into Okpara University, but from the back, we're going to go through the back gates. We're going to fly through Olokoro. If you're a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you. Thanks for always, making our time to watch my video. And if this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate you guys so much for always making our chance, to watch my video. So I am passing through the village in Olokoro. This is Ihe. Olokoro is, a very calm, quiet, nice village in Olokoro, and I'm very soon I'm going to get to Ahiuku Olokoro, from which I'll continue my journey down to Umudike. So we are heading towards Itaja Olokoro, and we'll keep going straight until we get to the back gate of Okpara University. So for some people that wouldn't go through town, inside town, some people that may not like to drive inside town, you can just go through Olokoro, and then you see yourself at the back gate of Okpara University. The road you'll be flying from Olokoro to Okpara University, is a good road. It's motorable. You can pass through the road comfortably with your car or with your bike. You understand? The road is very, very okay. So finally, we are at the back gates of Okpara University, and I'm gonna get inside, the university. Well, they get good roads for this university. Well, don't be bothered about the grasses and all that you're seeing. They say it's a university of agriculture, so of course you need to see some kind of things, that will make you feel the agricultural vibes. You understand? But waiting they sweet me past now. This road makes sense. Charlie, no be small thing. See land still yapa for the inside this school. So very soon now I'll be showing you some hostels. I think we're going to pass through some hostels. So you'll be seeing some structures here, maybe lecture halls, faculty offices, but this is inside the school premises from the back actually. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to do a video of Michael Okpara University from the front gates down to the inside, like, you know. But right here, I'm just showing you the places that I can show you because I didn't have the opportunity to tour the university. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. I'm going to do a video about this university. Like, I'm going to cover this university in my next video so you can see how it is, because in this video I actually went through the back. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, please I beg, subscribe, click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch my video. So you can see students trekking. Some of them that can't trek, you can use the tricycle inside the school. Okay, and those that have cars too, of course, they can drive. We'll be seeing, I think, cattle, grazing in this university. Of course, it's the University of Agriculture, like I said. You understand? So there's something like a canteen here. I think students are buying food. If it's not a canteen, then maybe it's a cyber cafe. I'm going to do videos of more universities in Nigeria. Please, this video, the reason why I'm not going to see the most, there's some beautiful places in this school is because I went through the back. I promise you guys in my next video, I'm going to go through the front gates, get into the school and show you around. So this is I think they are doing something here, and you can see students are all over the place. I think they are doing something here today. So this is where the video is gonna end. Nah, it's not ending. Still keep watching. So those buildings you're seeing down, I think those buildings are hostels. You understand? I think where students live, where students come to school for lectures. I think those are hostels over there, and I don't think it's the only hostels around. There are still hostels even in the front gate side and other sides. But like I said, this video is from back where I take to or the next video I'm going to drop is going to be from the front. So yes, this is inside Michael Okpara University. This is where the students play ball. A field. You understand? Where students play ball and all that. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you watch this video to the extent, just watch out how things go day for you this what is this weekend will be day. Everywhere go nice for you, everywhere marama. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.